In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram account private. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Instagram. So what you want to do first is make sure you're logged into the correct Instagram account that you want to make private. Then from Instagram, you want to come across to your profile page by pressing your profile icon down in the bottom right hand corner. Now, from your profile page, what you're going to want to do is come and press onto the three lines in the top right hand corner. What that's going to do is take you into your settings, and from here you want to scroll down to the who can see your content section and then press onto account privacy. Now currently you can see this is set as a public account. So when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. Now when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following lists. So to make your Instagram account private, as you can see, we got an option here. All you need to do is turn this switch on just like so. Then you're going to get a confirmation with some further information about what happens when you switch to a private account. All you need to do is come and press the blue switch to private button at the bottom, and just like that, we've now made our Instagram account private. So that is how to make Instagram account private. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.